Well, tonight, brand new video you will only see right here on WJZ. You're looking at a huge car crash. This happened in Park Heights, and unfortunately, we now know it turned tragic. A 17-year-old was behind that wheel of one of the cars, and we know he died from his injuries at the hospital.
This deadly crash is different than most. The Office of the Attorney General has taken on the investigation after Baltimore City Police said they were trying to investigate the vehicle the teenager was driving just moments before he drove through an intersection and crashed. Avajoy Burnett explains everything we have confirmed about the crash and the victim who died.
Tonight, a teenager is dead after a multi-vehicle collision in Northwest Baltimore over the weekend.
We're going to need units. We're going to need units there. This is a major accident here. We're definitely going to need units here.
City police say just moments before the fatal wreck, officers were trying to investigate that same vehicle, but the 17-year-old driver allegedly drove through an intersection and collided with other vehicles at Liberty Heights Avenue and Grantley Road.
We couldn't even dial 911 because the police was already here. And I said, wait a minute, how'd they get here that fast before we could even dial 911?
Police say multiple people were taken to the hospital, including the 17-year-old driver. They say he later died.
And they worked on him, and they worked on him. I'm talking about the fire department and the police department. They took turns working on that kid. And I said to myself, he's gone.
Baltimore City Police have not said why officers tried to investigate the vehicle that the teen was driving. But tonight, the Office of the Attorney General is doing their own investigation because officers in a marked police cruiser were following the SUV before the deadly crash. The Attorney General's office said the cruiser did not have a dash cam, but the officers inside were wearing body cameras, and their independent investigative unit will look into the circumstances that led up to the deadly crash. The investigative unit at the Office of the Attorney General has 14 days to release that video, but there is a possibility that they could extend that time frame if they need more time. Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.